What's up everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Universe Cuisine. So the new She-Hulk series comes out tomorrow and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan She-Hulk Val-au-Vent. This recipe is based on the recipe in the Marvel Eat the Universe Cookbook, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Universe Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 thawed puff pastry, a 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter, 2 tablespoons of dried lavender leaves, 1 tablespoon of turbinado sugar, a dash of salt, some all-purpose flour for dusting, and some vegan vanilla ice cream for serving. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan She-Hulk's Val-au-Vent. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.